Ever feel like your best and brightest are packing their bags and heading for greener pastures? That's the essence of the English idiom brain drain. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it to improve your communication skills. Imagine this: your friend is telling you about their new job, but they keep using this strange phrase, brain drain. You're left scratching your head, wondering, what on earth does that mean? Well, let me clear that up for you. Brain drain doesn't actually refer to your brain literally draining away. Instead, it's an idiom that describes the loss of highly skilled or educated people from a particular country or organization. Imagine a scenario where a top scientist decides to leave their home country to work in a different, more lucrative market. This would be considered a brain drain for the original country, as they've lost a valuable, highly skilled individual. Let's look at some examples of how you can use brain drain in different contexts. In casual conversation, the company is really struggling with brain drain as their best engineers keep leaving for better opportunities. In a formal setting, the government is concerned about the brain drain of our top medical professionals to neighboring countries. In a negative context, the political instability in the region has led to a brain drain, with many of our brightest minds seeking opportunities elsewhere. To help you remember the meaning of brain drain, imagine talented people flowing out of a country like water draining from a bathtub. This visual image can serve as a helpful memory aid to recall the idiom's figurative meaning. While the term gained prominence in the 1950s, describing the UK's concern over professionals migrating to the US and Canada, the phenomenon itself has existed for centuries. Think of the diaspora of skilled artisans and intellectuals throughout history. Today, brain drain is a global issue, driven by factors like economic disparity, lack of opportunity, political instability, and the pursuit of better living standards and professional growth. Some similar words to brain drain include talent exodus and human capital flight. On the other hand, the opposite of brain drain would be brain gain, where a country or organization attracts and retains top talent. Related idioms might include brain trust or brain power. For example, you could say, the company's brain drain has been a major concern as they've lost several key engineers to their competitors. To rephrase this without using the idiom, you could say, the company has struggled to retain its top talent, as many of their skilled engineers have left to work for other companies. I recently read about a small tech startup that was facing a brain drain, as their top developers were being poached by larger, more established companies. However, the startup CEO was able to retain their talent by offering competitive salaries, flexible work arrangements, and opportunities for professional development. One common mistake when using brain drain is to say the brain drain, as if it's a singular event. In reality, brain drain is a phenomenon, so the correct usage would be a brain drain or brain drain. It's important to note that brain drain specifically refers to the loss of highly skilled or educated individuals, not unskilled workers. Quiz time. Let's see how well you've understood the meaning of brain drain. 1. What does brain drain refer to? A. The literal draining of one's brain. B. The loss of highly skilled or educated people. C. A sudden decrease in brain activity. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for brain drain? A. Talent exodus. B. Brain freeze. C. Brain power. Correct answer, A. 3. What is the opposite of brain drain? A. Brain gain. B. Brain trust. C. Brain fart. Correct answer, A. In summary, brain drain is an important idiom that describes the loss of highly skilled or educated individuals from a particular country or organization. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can help you communicate more effectively and demonstrate your proficiency in the English language. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom brain drain in a sentence of your own. Share your examples in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.
That we have this brain drain. Brain drain.
There's also the problem of brain drain.
Brain drain.
So we do see that we have a little bit of brain drain.